Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary. Today I want to discuss about the chapter number 4, Heat and its Effect, Subject Science, Class 7, Day 6. In the previous videos, it was discussed that what is the heat and what is the expansion of heat, effects of heat, the conduction and the convection of heat. Today I want to discuss about the radiation of heat, how the heat is radiated, transfer of heat from one hot body to a cold body. In radiation, it is the process of transfer of heat from a hot body to a cold body without affecting the medium, because radiation need no medium. It is transferred without the medium. It means it can also be transferred in vacuum. You feel that when you stay or sit in front of electric heater, the heat travels from the heater to our body. The air between you and the heater is a bad conductor of heat. You can see in these activities how it shows that a black body absorbed and emits heat better than a white body, because white cloths and white surface cannot absorb the heat or less absorb the heat, but the black body, black cloths and black surface absorb the heat. The heat cannot even be transferred due to convection, because the hot air surrounding the heater will become light and rise upward and not towards your sitting in front. When the heater is switched off, we immediately feel cold. This shows that the air around us remains cold. Thus, there must be a third process of transfer of heat, in which the medium is not heated and yet there is a transfer of heat. This process is called the radiation. All bodies give out energy that travels in the form of radiation through space. The heat energy transferred without the need of any medium, so it is called the radiant heat. The infrared photography uses the property of radiation of heat energy by all objects. You can see in this observation what you find: the initial temperature. In this activity, the black tin absorbs and emits more heat from the sun, but the white tin absorbs and emits less heat from the sun. The shiny, smooth surface are better reflectors, while dull, rough surface are better absorbers. When you wear white or light colored clothes during summer, because white or light colored clothes absorb less heat and keep us cool. In other hand, if we wear black or dark colored clothes during winter, because black or dark colored clothes absorb more heat and keep us warm. In India, the houses in hot countries are usually painted white or light colored. This is done so that the houses absorb less heat from the sun and keep cool during summers. The bottom of cooking utensil is painted black, while the sides are sparkling bright, because the black color of utensil can absorb more heat from the bottom and radiate less heat from the sides. The containers of solar cooker also painted black to absorb more heat from the sun. The electric room heater have curved polished metal reflectors behind the heating elements. Now you know about the thermos flask. It is a special type of vessel which keep hot liquid hot and cold liquid cold for a long time. It is made in such a way that it reduces the loss or gain of heat by conduction, convection and radiation to the minimum level in the following manner. You can see the thermos flask, the plastic cap, plastic stopper, double-walled glass bottle, and the vacuum between two glass wall, metal case, cork piece. A thermos flask consists of a double-walled glass bottles. Glass is chosen as the material for making thermos flask because it is a bad conductor of heat. All the air is removed from the space between the two walls of the glass bottle to prevent the transfer of heat by conduction and convection. Because you know conduction and convection cannot take place in vacuum. The surface of double-walled glass bottle is silvered like a mirror. This is done due to reduce the transfer of heat by radiation. And a plastic stopper is fitted in the mouth of the flask and a plastic cap is screwed over this stopper. This is done to reduce conduction of heat as plastic is a bad conductor of heat. You know about the conduction, convection and radiation. That's all.